Hi friends, this is Janaki. I am happy to be on thankyouchef.com. In this video, I am going to show you how to make tasty salmon fish fry in easy steps. As you know, salmon gives too much smell. So many people hesitate to make this fish, even though it is healthy. With this recipe, you will not see any smell, but it gives yummy flavor. I am 100% sure that your family, particularly kids, tempts to eat. Few highlights about salmon are: it's highly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps to reduce the triglycerides, joint pain, depression, and also reduces inflammation and blood clots. Salmon is rich in protein, vitamins like vitamin D, B6, B12, B3, and magnesium, selenium. So totally salmon is fully useful, no wastage in that. So please make it as a part of your daily food. Now let's see the ingredients. 2 salmon fillets, 12 tablespoons of light olive oil, 2.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 cup of thick onion paste, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 7 curry leaves. For masala preparation, 1.5 tablespoon of raw dhania seeds, 6 dry coconut flakes, and 2 garlic. Now let's see each item in the video. 2 salmon fillets, milk, onion paste, turmeric powder, salt, red chilli powder, light olive oil, ginger paste, garlic paste, curry leaves, and garam masala powder. Masala items: raw dhania seeds, dry coconut flakes, garlic. Now let's start the process. Cut the salmon into small pieces as shown in the video. Then soak the salmon in the milk for 10 minutes. If you soak the salmon in the milk, it reduces the smell. This is a small tip. Not only salmon, if you soak any fish in the milk, then reduces the fish smell. Now wash the salmon thoroughly, then remove the excess water. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, and half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well and soak for 10 minutes. If you add oil, it holds the spices with the fish pieces, and while cooking we don't need to add oil. Then cook the fish with lid for 2 minutes without adding water. Here, water automatically oozes out from the fish. Cook on a low to medium flame. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and cook until the water evaporates from the fish. If you see any big pieces, gently smash it so that it gets mixed well. Once full water is gone, stop the stove and keep it. Make fresh masala powder. Take 1.5 tablespoon of raw dhania seeds, dry coconut flakes, and garlic. Grind them and make a fine powder out of it. Next, heat 8 tablespoon of olive oil. Add onion paste. Mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Fry the onion paste for 2 minutes. Then add ginger and garlic paste. Mix well. Fry for a minute. Then add half tablespoon of red chilli powder. Mix well. Fry for a minute. Then add another 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and fry until oil comes out from the onion. Then add already cooked fish, mix well and fry. If needed, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here, when we add fish into onion paste, you may feel stickiness, but don't worry. Just mix gently and fry it. As when water evaporates, oil comes out and stickiness goes away. But make sure that don't add more oil. Slowly fry it in a low to medium flame. Approximately it may take 10 to 15 minutes based on your quantity. When you see all the pieces are not sticky and feels dry, then add the masala powder. Fry for a minute. Then add 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Mix well and fry for a minute. Finally, crush the curry leaves for good flavor. Just before taking it out, add curry leaves. It gives really yummy flavor. Finally, transfer it into a serving bowl. Yummy fish curry is ready. Have this fry with roti or chapati, or we can use for sandwich also. You can also have this with hot rice. Kids love this. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch for more videos, visit thankyouchef.com. Bye.